Hello guys, welcome sa mga video. So today we're playing other street trip. So anyways guys, first sa mga video sa channel, subscribe right now. So anyways, I'm at a big new updates in this game called other street trip. Other street trip I think is, but anyways, subscribe. Wait for me. Oh, there he is. Hello. I have no head. What happened to me? What? What the? Not fair. Bro, I have 0, Mimi. 0 kilogram. Why? Go to the lobby. Oh, no. How about the...
Did you join? Yeah.
Come on, join me.
The player?
Hello? Hey.
The one?
Hey, hello. BB. Hey, hello. What are you doing? Where are you? Adi?
Gone!
What happened?
Who is this?
Wait, where are you? I can't find you. Bro.
I thought it was his green. I saw the green.
I can't find you.
Rejoin na tayo.
Come on.
I'm still lagging.
Rejoin. I'm lagging.
I'm still lagging.
Okay.
I'm still lagging.
They keep on just doing that.
Why am I back here?
Okay. Why you're back there? Oh, I found you. Both of them. Oh, what are you doing? Where's BB?
Stop putting me in the game.
Stop putting in the game. Ignore. Hello, Adi. What are you doing? I'm so slow. Where? Yes, I know. Let's wait for them, I guess. So let me know in comments at the street trip. So anyways, I'm kissing the hair of Adi. I'm going to kiss hair of the Adi. I want a kiss of the hair of Adi.
I'm here.
Ah, yeah. You're here. Let's go.
I'm here. Come on. Wait lang.
Come on. Hey. Oh, there. Okay, let's go. Yay. What?
Playing.
For how? I can't even go. I should just go. Finally. Yo! Oh my god. I'm about to win.
There.
Why do I have 0 money?
You guys find food.
Okay, I need... Wait, why am... Okay, I need to loading. Is it not lagging? I'm not lagging. Where are you? I don't know. No. Wait, I can't even control. I wanted to rejoin or not. I'm not gonna rejoin. Bruh. Okay. This is brand new. Wow. Bro, stop lagging. I look like snail. Hey, what are you doing? Interact? What is interact? Can I interact? Yes. Nah, I don't want to interact because it's not. I need to get it. Can I get it? I know! Okay,
I found the name.
let me fix the wheels.
Let's find the.
Can I fix the place? What? No. I placed it! We're going to the trip! I'm going to fix my mom's... I said I'm going to get it. Grab it and I'm going... Can I put it there?
Not yet.
Fine. Can I touch the bus? Can I see? Apple tree. I think it's a bot. Where's the tires? Tire.
We live in a farm where no one lives.
Bro, can I run? Bro, I can't run. Can I run? I can run. Oh, can I borrow that tires? Or grab. I can grab it if I want.
Found onion.
3 kilograms. Or just 3. Can I place it? Place the... Grab place. Oh, I know. I'm going to place it. Wait for me. Look, I can helicopter. I am a helicopter. Okay, I'm going to... What? Why did you remove? Can I just place it? Uh-huh.
Does it have gas?
Does have gas? I need to put the painting there.
Hi, wait lang.
Come on.
The gas is open.
Come on. Come on, I need... Bro, can I put the painting there?
Hey, wait
Bro! I'm so hard to put it.
more to put it out.
Fine.
Can I have the painting?
Fine. You can have it. Can I go inside? How? I can go inside.
How do I?
I can now go inside, guys.
This sucks.
I'm going to go inside. Oh wait, I can go inside if I want. Can I click? I can't even click.
Okay, I think we're ready to go.
Oh wait,
Don't forget the gas.
this.
The gas is behind, right?
I'm going to hide. Oh wait. Oh wait, I should just see. Oh my god, I'm ready. I'm ready to drive or him. Come on, Adi. Wait, how about flashlight? Flashlight. Fine, wait. Hold on. I need a seat. I'm seat.
Maybe go in the front.
Go in the front seat,
Close the
baby.
door, kuya.
Fine, I just closed it properly.
Okay, I closed it.
There, I closed it. Okay, we're going on a trip, guys. So me and my cousin.
Close the door.
Come on, baby. Come on, Kazia. Come on. Open. Close it.
Close it.
Close it.
Ako na.
Come on. Oh, bye. Goodbye on the seat. Goodbye. I hear my mom's car, guys. Come
I
on.
can't close it na.
I cannot close. Can you close? You can just close it from now on. I'm going to just look and have you. I'm just going to close this thing. Hey, what are you doing, Karaki, sir? Hey, hello. Look at her. She's so good. And she's so beautiful.
That's why the gas is up there. Oh no, the phone.
Hey, what are you doing?
I remember I put it Don't come out,
Okay, I can just not go. Come on, make a gas. Put the gas there. So I can just go out and just playing something. Can I get a flashlight?
What?
Oh wait,
Wait, kuya, get out.
fine. I can't. I can't. Help! Oh my god! Wait,
Bye, kuya.
wait, hold on. Hey, Adi, wait.
Open the door.
I can't. Ah,
Okay.
let's
Set.
shit.
Go.
I'll just close this.
Now you're hugging.
Close,
Huggy.
close that.
Huggy.
Okay, let's go. Let's go on a trip. Adi, come on. Come on, guys.
Going on a trip.
We're going on a trip, and a favorite trip. Going on a trip. Going in a trip. Just me and you.
What the hell? You?
Staring at you. Look, I'm staring at you. Smelling your outfit. Joking.
Babaho.
Yeah.
Baho
Stink.
yan.
Stinky.
Haven't showered in here.
It's okay.
Isn't that?
I'm going to kiss you.
No.
Baho. Oh my god. I think it's good.
We should just go.
We go now.
We should just go forward.
Yes. Yes.
But we need those.
Haven't showered yet. Because. Huh?
Adi, stop.
Adi. What the heck? There's stuff.
There's the room there.
Just me and you staring at your
Why not
ass.
man over them?
What happened?
Last time I might kill us.
Wow.
Last time Adi.
Hello.
Nothing important.
Look at him. Look at him. See, he's ugly and smelling dummy.
I didn't talk.
Okay, so I'm not gonna end, guys. We're going on a trip because I hear airplane.
R.I.P. To everyone in that airplane.
Airplaning. I hear airplane, guys. I hear airplane. Oh my god, I hear airplane.
That was a gas station.
Just me and you.
Gas station.
Wow, Berlin. It's Berlin. Wow, we're going. I have 4 players, I think. My 4. Yay! I don't want to open now. So I'm going to be there instead. Oh, look at my number. Your journey? What is my journey? Gonna see. A shop?
Well,
I don't have any money. I'm poor to just buy.
come on, guys.
Wait, do you have money?
No. What the?
Okay, let me go for you. Hey, where are you?
Let's steal.
I can just run. I can just run. I need to get.
Stealing.
I'm going to. Oh, stop! Hey,
Sorry lang.
bruh.
Ay, naman.
Bruh.
I saw not do anything. Go shop stealing. Nag-ano up.
How dare you? Oh my God! You're so from them. Stealing is bad.
Yay.
All because of you. You're just stealing it. Oh my God! You need $1. Oh my God! What the heck is wrong with you? He's trying to steal it.
Let's go back.
Bruh, let's go back. He's stealing it.
Yeah, don't steal.
Bruh,
I didn't know there was
I'm vlogging. I'm dancing like a turtle.
There's guns there.
I'm dancing like a turtle.
I tried running away.
Bruh, come on, I'm not lagging.
Oh,
Uh-huh.
putting it
I
back
have one.
and put it in the plate.
Sorry guys. Your fault. Okay, how many money do I have? Please give me money. I'm rich, please. Give me money. Money. Fine. Okay. Let me part on you. Where are you? Where are you, Goblin? Goblin, huh? Hey, Adi. I'm going to kiss you. I can't even see this annoying. Just me and you. Just staring at, just kissing at you. No! Exit! Bro. Just me and you, Adi. Adi. Just me and you. I'm just kissing you, Adi. Come on. Oh my God, I can't see. Okay. Here. Oh, there. Okay, I mean. Hello. Wait, do I have? No. I don't know. I don't have. Sorry. Okay. Okay, here's the plane. The plane. The plane is what?
Wait, we actually need
Bro, I have 100 meters. 100. We have meters, I think. And I will get an apple, and also I'm hungry. This hungry. I should just get it if I want. I like banana. Chicken, banana. I'm going to put the banana in the car. Where are you? I'm going to go for you. Where are you? I need to go for you. What the heck? Did I just drop banana? Bro, stop lagging. What the thing? Stop. Oh my God, I look lagging. I'm going to put banana. I'm not stealing because of it. Diarrhea. Diarrhea, I think.
Do you remember?
I can't get in because of the stupid door.
Oh yeah.
I know.
Put on the gas.
Fine. Oh my God. A gun? I can just shoot it. Oh, I should just shoot if I want. Bro, this gun is stuck. My gun is stuck, so I'm going to just shoot everyone. Let me go. Oh wait. Oh there. Okay. Oh wait. Oh my god. It's. Oh wait. I actually shoot him. Okay, I know. Okay, I know. Sorry guys. I know. I can. I'm going to go to the. I'm going to go to the zero. Joking. Just put it there. Uh-huh. I put it there. I put the gas there. This, I like, this, thing, bring. I don't know. Not me. Why? Goodbye. Just close this. What happened? Just grab it and just put this butt down. We need to place the butt there before. Let me just keep on playing it. Okay. Oh my god, wait. Mama! I think they look. Wait for me! I'm trying to open it. Oh, no. Shit. I'm going to close this. Yes, I'm ready. I'm ready. Set, go. Ready, set, go. Ready, set, go. About. Just go. Why the car looks like old? It's probably 1993. New? Okay, it's probably new. 1991 or 1940 or 1930 I think or 1990. Baby. Hello. That's me and you, baby. Yes. Come on. Come on, put gas on it. I'm feeling it. I'm just going to open it.
Behind the counter.
Not me.
When I did, zero na sa ano gas. What?
Open.
We don't have gas anymore.
We don't have gas. Yay.
Ew.
Yes, I know.
So it's
Not me. Or else, I'll leave. Not me. Not me.
Kuya, gas.
Or else, I'll leave.
Kuya, put it behind the car.
B.
Kuya, you shut up.
Okay. I'm going to this. What the heck? I thought. I think this is safe. It's safe for that. Wait, let's open it. What's that? Okay, what's that? I should just open it. Or just click it, I think. So let's close it. Ready. I just wanted to close this. Can I close it? I just close it if I want. Hey. Hey. Hey.
You forgot to eat breakfast.
Oh no, I'm trapped. I am crawling. I'm crawling. What happened? Hey, look at me. Look at me. Hey, look at me. I'm crawling. I'm crawling. Look at me. I need. There's no gas. Okay.
There's no way I'm gonna walk 1,000 miles. Wait lang, guys.
What the heck? What happened? Okay, so anyway.
Wait, let's rejoin.
Rejoin? How?
How do I close
I have my gun. How?
the...
Why did you leave me? Guys,
We have to rejoin, Kuya, because there's no gas.
there's gas. B.
Why is there bowling here?
I have line there. Oh, there's gas. gas. No. Adi, there's gas. Can I can't? Why did I just...
Join again.
Okay.
I'm already in.
Okay, I'm going to join it, guys. I'm going to join because it will make a long video. It will take a long video. Why? Why did I just disconnect it? I'm bored. Can I just watch something or no? I'm very bored. Ignore that stupid game. You know, fine. I'm going to just join. Or just ignore that. Yes.
Oh, kuya.
Oh, hello.
Yes.
Finally. I'm getting bored because I wanted to watch YouTube. I still wanted to watch YouTube. About? About? Okay. Yeah. On Videoburn, huh? Come on. I think they created a new one. They created a new, new game.
Hey, there's a bacon.
I like this game. Where are you? There's a bacon. Bacon na ako. Wow. Wait for me. I'm going to loading. Okay, wait. Wait. Where are you?
Dito. Start.
I can't.
Let's go. Kuya.
I can't. I'm just a...
Idiot.
How dare you? Stop. I can't. I wanted to rejoin. I can't. I wanted to just leave and join you.
He's gonna rejoin.
I'm just trying to get the... I don't know. I don't know what. I know. I can't speak properly. Because my voice is confused. I think I like this. I need
There's
to...
so many bacon.
Bacon, eh? There's so many bacon. I am make bacon. Make bacon. Why there's so many bacon here? I should just make bacon in there. I'm trying my best. Hey, do not leave me. I'm trying to do my toughness because it's a robot. So let me know in comments. My armpit is so good. Wait for me. Here.
Oh.
You? Is that you? Ari? Oh, it's you. No. Oh, okay. Oh,
There's
there.
nothing. They went on other server.
Hey, what are you doing? Come on.
Yo, you gotta leave this.
Where this brick? No.
Go near kuya. Don't go near.
Fine.
Yan.
What happened to Mama house?
Lang.
Come on. Oh, there is. Come on, go. Let me kiss you. I said.
Kuya, go in. Kuya, go in.
How? There. Let me kiss you. Let me kiss you. Yeah. Yeah. Subscribe to our channel. I need to get play button. Wait for me. I'm loading. Because I'm lagging. Come on. Okay, that's good. I think I like this. Can I get your butt? I'm going to shoot you. Hey, that's my gun. Let me get chicken banana. And also I'm going to get chicken banana. And now I'm going to put it there. I said, I just touched my butt and my banana. Oh, I'm going to put it. How? Here goes the car.
Look out the wheel.
Okay, it's not me. I'm going to place it. I keep on just. Ah,
Wala nang gas.
oh my God. Hey, can I shoot him? Let me shoot him.
We need gas.
You, huh? Ruth.
Kuya, don't. We can't go anymore. Kuya, fill the gas.
Okay, let's drop it. I can't, not me. Adi, please, not me. I was trying my best to behave, I guess. Hello. What the heck? Come on. Come on, put it there. Uh-huh. No! Hey! No! Let me be! Bibi! No! Don't! Oh! Bibi didn't even leave me. Just Minyo. Just Minyo. Hey, just Minyo. Kizzy. Why? Wait, what's that? Big. What? No, not there. I'm rich. Ah. What? Hey, do not leave me. Why?
Because you're so dumb.
Bruh, can I end? Okay, goodbye. Bye.